Welcome back. Today I am going to explain you regarding lesson number 3, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, nutrition in plants. What is meant by photosynthesis? Today in this video I am going to explain about concept of photosynthesis. Where does photosynthesis occur? What are the raw material required for this process? What is synthesized during this process? This thing I am going to explain in this video. Photosynthesis, in this concept, green plants prepare their own food through a process known as photosynthesis. They have already given that only green plants which are present in the nature, they are having a ability to prepare their own food. So, prepared food by themselves is called as a autotrophs, and this process of preparation of food is known as photosynthesis. Autotrophs means auto means self and trophs means food. Means food prepared by the green plants by themselves is known as autotrophs. Literally means synthesized in the presence of light. Photosynthesis for the preparation of photosynthesis is synthesize. Synthesize means what? They are preparing their food. They are synthesizing. Photosynthesis means nothing but it is called as a food. In this process of preparation of food by the green plants in the presence of light using atmospheric carbon dioxide and water from the soil. So these are the contents which are required for the preparation of food. Food is prepared by the green plants and it is prepared in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and light. These are the three main factors without which they cannot prepare the food. Then where does this process takes place in the plant body? Mostly we know that how many parts are there in the plant? The plant parts of the plant are root, stem, leaves, fruit, flower. But we may we but we found green color part is present only in leaves. The color of the leaves are green. So wherever green color is there, there only the process of photosynthesis takes place. So mostly in leaves the photosynthesis occurs, but in some cases where when the stem is in green color, there also the photosynthesis takes place. Leaves contain the green color material or a pigment called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is present inside the leaves of the cell. The chlorophyll which is present inside a certain structure called as a chloroplast. In chloroplast, chlorophyll is present. Chloroplast is a structure which is present inside the leaves, and inside the chloroplast, chlorophyll is there. Then role of leaf in the photosynthesis. There are two main important structure with the help of which it leaves plays an important role while carrying out the process of photosynthesis. As we found on the surface of leaf, mostly on the lower surface of leaf, there are so many pores are present. So through this pores, carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere enters through these pores. The name given to this pore is stomata. So stomata are present on the surface of the leaf, mostly on the lower surface of leaf. Second, presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present inside the cell or inside the chloroplast. Then what is the role done by the chlorophyll? They are trapping the energy. It traps energy from the sunlight. Without chlorophyll, they cannot, photosynthesis will not takes place. Then what are the raw material required to carry out the process of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means preparing their food. Then first one, carbon dioxide. From where they are getting the carbon dioxide? From the atmosphere. So they are absorbing. Who is absorbing carbon dioxide? The leaves. or from the stomata, the atmospheric carbon dioxide is absorbed into the plant through the stomata, which stomata is present on the leaf surface. Then water. Water is present in the soil, and absorption of water from the soil is done by the root system. Then third one, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is only present in the leaf. Then light. They are getting light from the natural light, that is sunlight. So these are the four important raw material required. First one, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and light. Mainly four raw material are required. Now here comes the definition of photosynthesis. The process of preparing food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and light is known as photosynthesis. What is synthesized during photosynthesis? During this photosynthesis, food is synthesized in the form of sugars. Oxygen is released in the process. So, two things are produced or two things are formed during the process of photosynthesis. What are the things formed? That is food and oxygen. Then food is formed in the form of sugar and oxygen gas is released through the pores. Now what this food means? Food is prepared during synthesis. That what is food means? As a matter of fact, carbohydrates are prepared in this process. Carbohydrates are prepared. First simple sugars and then more complex ones. Presence of starch, a carbohydrate in the leaves, is regarded as an evidence of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis summarized. We are needed carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of light and chlorophyll gives rise to carbohydrates, means sugars, and plus oxygen gas is released. Leaves of the green plants are thus chemical factories producing food. They convert energy from the sunlight to chemical energy by making carbohydrates. As the process of photosynthesis takes place only in the leaves and food is prepared in the leaves, so these leaves are called as a chemical factory of food producing chemical factory. They are converting the energy from the sunlight to chemical energy by making carbohydrates. So we'll stop today. I'll explain the remaining term in the next video. Keep watching, children. Bye bye.